So let's learn about countable and uncountable nouns. Nouns can be divided into countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So what are they? Countable nouns are nouns or words that can be counted, whereas uncountable nouns cannot be counted. And the second thing that you need to remember about countable nouns are it has both singular and plural forms, whereas uncountable nouns have no plural forms. Let's look into the example. For countable nouns, let's remember a bottle. You have one bottle. When there are many, you call it bottles. So you can count. Likewise, uncountable nouns example is furniture. You don't say furnitures. Whether it's one chair or a sofa set, everything together we call as furniture. We don't say furnitures. Okay, now let's pay attention to the articles and the adjectives. You have to remember this. So what are they? Certain words you use only with countable nouns. A, many, few, and a few. You find these before a countable noun only. Let's look at the example. When I say pen, I usually say a pen, and that tells you it's one pen. Or books, many books. You can count the number of books in a library. Few tables. Once again, you can count the tables. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you say a few questions, once again, they are countable. You can easily count them. So remember, a, many, few, a few are used only with countable nouns. So there are two questions that you can find here. How many apples do you want? How much rice do you want? One begins with how many, the other one begins with how much. Well, countable nouns always begin with how many, and when it is an uncountable noun, you begin with how much. So don't forget, how many is always followed by a countable noun, and how much is followed by an uncountable noun. Well, let's now quickly check whether you understood what has been taught. Are these nouns countable or uncountable? That's what we're going to check. Intelligence. Is it countable or uncountable? Yes, intelligence is uncountable noun. News. Is it countable or uncountable? Uncountable. City. Of course, you can count the number of cities, therefore countable. Peas. You cannot count peas, right? Therefore, it's uncountable. Information. Countable or uncountable? It's uncountable. Equipment. Can you count it? No, there is no plural form for equipment. Therefore, uncountable. Next, pasta. While you're eating pasta, have you ever counted? You cannot. Therefore, uncountable. Chair. Can you count the number of chairs? Yes. Therefore, it's countable. Confidence. Can you count confidence? How much? How many? No. Therefore, it's uncountable. Courage. Countable or uncountable? Progress. Countable or uncountable? Progress is uncountable as well as courage also is uncountable. Next, concerts. Is it countable or uncountable? Countable. Sugar. Countable or uncountable? Can you count sugar? No, it's uncountable. Hope you understood. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.